Hi guys, welcome back. Nowadays, you might have been seen on social media that anime-like pictures with stunning visuals are trending everywhere. This is called Ghibli-style art. You can also create similar Ghibli-style image for free. In this video, I will show you two simple ways to generate beautiful Ghibli-style image without spending a penny. So my first method would be using ChatGPT. So for that, first you need to open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT site. And now you should log in or sign up if you don't have an account. Now start a new conversation. Click on the plus icon in the chat box, and after that upload an image from your device to modify or enhance. Once uploaded, if generating a new image, simply enter a prompt like "Turn this image in Studio Ghibli theme" and wait for the AI to create the image. Here you need to wait until it finishes, and it took almost few minutes to generate the image. Okay. And after that you can see your anime image is ready. Now if you want, you can then download and save it. So this is very simple. Now I will show you another way. If you have access to image generation, enter a prompt like this and wait for the AI to generate the image. Once you are happy with the image, download it to your device. Now let's explore the second method using Grok 3. If you are looking for a completely free AI tool, Grok 3 is a great choice. It's easy to use and perfect for anyone wanting to join the Ghibli-Art trend. However, due to its popularity, it can sometimes take longer to process requests. So in order to use this, you need to open the Grok 3 websites and sign in using your Gmail account. Once logged in, ensure that Grok 3 is selected as the active AI model. Now click the paperclip icon in the bottom left corner and upload the image you want to transform. And in the next box, enter a prompt like "Convert this image into a Studio Ghibli style illustration" and wait for a few minutes while Grok 3 processes your request. Once done, your Ghibli style image will be ready for download and use. So both of these tools are great for creating stunning Ghibli inspired artwork for free. ChatGPT is the best for quick, high quality result, while Grok 3 offers an accessible and easy to use alternative. Try both and see which one works best for you. That's it for today's video guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.